Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. We're coming at you with video number 44. All right, so today's Thursday. I just got a notification here that we got our earnings. So today, 0.39%. I made 42.67 on my investment, my Forex investment, guys. And so that brings me about $367 to 15,000. If you go down here to my investments section, you'll see I got where is it there? There we go. 14,165.58 is my investment that I have, my principal. So far for the 14 days, I've made 466.70, and today, as you can see, I made 42.67. So if you take this amount plus this amount and subtract both these from 15,000, you'll get probably about $367 that I've left to reach over 15,000. My ultimate goal, guys, is to get to 16,000, which will be next month, because at that point I'll be making $300 a week, guys, all on autopilot, just letting the system run. Also, another thing as well, they've made an update. They brought back the Forex daily graph, which actually you can do. Yeah, there it is. You can either do. There it is. Daily, weekly, and monthly. So you can change the graph to whatever you want to switch it to, as you see here, guys. This graph was taken away about, I would say about a month ago, because what they did was they revamped the website. Because before on the main dashboard, all they had was, they had the graph and they had all these other investment sections here underneath investments instead of dashboard. So the dashboard just showed Forex and that was it. But this company has expanded so much now that it's not just Forex. It's also these other three areas: liquidity mining, S pharmaceutical, and SIPO, guys. So that's why they wanted to have that on the main dashboard. So they took the graph away, which was on the main dashboard here, and everybody kind of got upset about that. So everyone likes to see the monthly and the daily progress. So they have brought them back underneath the investment section. It's more clean, actually, and streamlined, because you just click on whatever section you have money invested in, and now everything is under each section individually. So go under Forex, which, as you guys see, which is what I have the money invested in. I don't have any money in anything else here. So you go down, you got your investment packages. You can invest in whatever tier, and tells you they've also added this here: the income dynamics, total deposits, monthly income, and all-time income. It's on here. That wasn't there before. So as you can see, guys, all-time, I'm just about 11,000, eh? Holy smokes, man, I can't believe it. I made 11,000 in this system, and I've just done one withdrawal, which was 445, I believe it was. It was about 2 weeks ago, guys. It's in my video log if you check my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel too, so you can get all these video updates as I go along. But if you go into my channel, check out my video history, you'll see the withdrawal video. It's about 15 minutes long rather, and I showed you the whole process from A to Z, pretty much how to do a withdrawal. So yeah, if you look at this graph here, guys, this is the I haven't shown you this graph in a long time because it's been gone for about a month. But if you take a look at the monthly, you can kind of go along here and explore each month, see what the earnings was. Last month was 9.9%. The month before that, May, was 10.3%. And the month before that, April, which was 9.59. So you can see it roughly hovers around 10%, guys. So if you have the S Group calculator, which you probably don't, but when you do join the system, I'll give you the calculator. You can enter in 10%, and then as the monthly earnings, enter in the amount that you want to have invested, the principal, and it'll calculate how much you're going to make per month. And you can look into the future within 3 years. So it'll give you a 3-year breakdown, month by month. It'll have all be grouped in 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years, so you can see everything. So I'm just getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video, guys. Thanks for checking it out. If you want to sign up for S Group, the sign up link is in the description down below. Also, as well as my email address if you have any questions. And yeah, guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button in the bottom portion of this video. So thanks for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.